In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Microsoft Teams support in 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for anyone who's encountering issues or has questions about Microsoft Teams and needs direct support from their team. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll spot the option to sign in. Please do so using your account details. It's crucial that you're logged into your account so that the support team can assist you effectively based on your user profile and history. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots, often known as the More Options button. Clicking on this will expand a menu where you'll find various options about your account and settings. Within this menu, there's a particularly helpful button titled Help. Go ahead and click on Help, as this is your gateway to accessing support directly from the Microsoft Teams support team. After clicking on Help, you're not quite done yet. You'll see another option labeled Get Help. This is where you want to click Next. It might seem like a few hoops to jump through, but this process is designed to direct you to the most relevant support option for your specific query or issue. Once you've clicked on Get Help, you'll be taken to a new page. Now, this is an important step. You'll need to scroll down until you see an option that reads Contact Support. This option is crucial as it directs you to the point of interaction with the support team. Now you're almost there. Clicking on Contact Support will bring you to a page where you can type in the details of the issue or question you're facing. It's important to be as clear and detailed as possible here to help the support team understand and address your issue promptly. Lastly, after filling in the details about your issue or query, you'll see a Submit button. Once you click Submit, your request for support will be sent off to the Microsoft Teams support team. They'll review your query and get back to you with assistance or the information you need. A few additional tips to consider. Make sure your internet connection is stable when contacting support to avoid any interruptions. Also, keep an eye on your email or the contact information you've provided for a response from the support team. Sometimes responses can land in your spam or junk mail, so it's worth checking there if you haven't heard back in a reasonable time frame. And that's it. You now know how to contact Microsoft Teams support efficiently. Whether it's a technical glitch, a question about functionality, or seeking guidance on best practices, following these steps will connect you with the help you need directly from the source. Remember, Microsoft Teams is continuously evolving, and the support team is there to assist you in navigating these changes. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out for support when you need it.